This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This fabulous 2-bedroom with a den home is located on a premium pond front lot in the desirable maintenance-free gated community of Traditions at Lake Ruby. The home features a spacious open floor plan that was designed for entertaining. The generously sized eat-in kitchen offers granite countertops, upgraded stainless steel appliance package, breakfast bar, ceramic tile flooring, closet pantry, and recess lighting. The great room features triple glass sliding doors allowing access to oversized lanai with tranquil views of conservation land. The generously sized master bedroom suite features a walk-in closet, glass sliding doors, and wood laminate flooring. The master bath offers a luxurious garden tub, tiled shower, large vanity featuring dual sinks and cosmetic area. Other amenities include an update HVAC system, new roof, new water heater, stone exterior facade, formal dining area, family room, guest bedroom with walk-in closet, laundry room with utility sink, irrigation system, gutters, paved driveway, and walkways, attic space and a 3-car garage. The community of Traditions at Ruby Lake offers amenities such as a 19,000 square feet clubhouse, heated pool, and spa, shuffleboard, tennis courts, billiards, fitness center, craft room, yoga studio, bocce ball, dog park, dock, boat ramp, and fishing pier overlooking Lake Ruby. This lovely property is conveniently located close to shopping, restaurants and medical facilities with an easy commute into Orlando or Tampa areas. This lovely property is located on a premium lot that offers lovely pond and conservation views. For more information, review the